make a float. Today we are going to make this bird plane.
Ooh, okay.
The things that you need are color paper.
And then what else?
Scissors and tape.
Okay, so what's first thing we need to do is?
Color paper.
Okay, which color do you want to choose? Bright color?
My favorite color.
Okay, here you go. Okay, I'll use this orange color.
For sunny, sunny, sun. Okay, then we are going to fold it like this.
Okay. Let's show it to the camera after we fold it. Making a triangle so that what do we need out of this then?
A square.
Oh, you want to make rectangle into a square, yeah. Oh.
And then you fold it over.
Fold the rest of it.
And then fold this line thing to the top.
To the other side.
To the other side. And then the line paper thing goes to the other side.
Okay. So what should we do with this?
You should rip it.
Okay, let's rip it. Slowly. Okay. So from this we get a
Square.
square.
Or diamond.
Diamond or square. Okay.
And then
We need to fold
you fold it in half
another way, another line.
to a diamond.
Just in the middle like this, right? So that we have this center part.
And then you press the line from top to bottom.
Okay, to have just to get the center part here.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. So
And then you want to fold.
oh, so now I can see this mark, like an X mark in the center.
This button.
Yep. So what should we do next? Here. Okay.
And then
Ooh.
you fold it in half again like this.
Okay. Make sure it's on the line. Yep.
And then again.
And then again, another one like this. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Alright. Okay. Okay, and then what should we do?
You fold it into a circle.
And the other way? Like this? fold it to the back like this, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's tape.
Okay. So after this, what should we do again just now?
Fold it into a circle.
Okay, fold it to back like this. And then put it in the middle.
Put tape.
Okay. So we put the tape to secure it, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Just like this. Wow! The sheet is so
And
cute.
then with the strip,
Ooh, okay.
you fold it in half.
This the longer part, okay. Make sure to like press it very, very hard so that we can
Whip it.
Yep.
That's the next step.
Okay. See? Press it, press it, press it.
And then whip it.
Okay, and then whip it. I think I'll whip it like this. Okay. Oh
And
yay!
then make one into an airplane.
No.
So first,
This
you
one
fold-
first. So what should we do after this? We already got this.
You want to swap the wings,
long one.
the color, so you have
Oh, okay.
alternate colors.
So you tape it on like this.
Okay, so in the middle
That's why
of the bird.
That's why last time I cut it in half.
Oh, okay. So
Can I make it a bit wing?
no.
Okay, then give me a longer one.
Okay. So we need a longer tape, is it?
Yeah.
So that it can, is it no?
Yeah.
Something like this. Okay.
More than enough.
Is it too long? Okay. So what, in the middle, something like this?
Yeah.
And then where should we put it? Here.
You should put it on top of the wings.
Okay.
It's okay, baby. You like Chichi and Baby?
All right. So is it like this?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, cool. So we have two birdie now.
The same color.
Okay, let's try to throw it. Come.
No, Oshi first.
What's oosie?
Oshi.
We got some ooshie. What's What's Ooshie?
It's a mini character.
Mini character. Let's see. What can we get there? What about this one? What is this?
It's a case where you get all the ooshies.
Oh wow! Are you
Change
collecting
color.
all this?
Yes, this is the in the dark section. This is the change color, silver, gold, no store, no more.
Yeah, still a few pieces left, right? We need to find it to collect it. Whoa! And then what's that?
It's the ooshie.
Blind bag? Okay. You want to open it?
Yes.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. I don't care. Let's open it.
Is it?
Elastic girl.
Elastic girl. Okay. Hey, Twinnie, elastic girl.
Woody. Woody. This is golden, not the colored one like this.
Oh, okay. Darth Vader! Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's all doubles?
Yay! It's okay. They are so cute, isn't it? So which one is your favorite, Sam?
Still Minnie Mouse.
Which one?
Minnie Mouse.
Where is the Minnie Mouse? Oh, this one, Minnie Mouse. Okay. Minnie Mouse is so cute.
Next to Minnie Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
And
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel. And
Oh.
Ariel.
Actually, you've got doubles, Mickey and Minnie.
Yeah.